Hare Krishna. The second sloka of the Kunti Maharani Stotra. This is the beyond the senses. Maya jamanikachannam ajnamadokshanyamavyayam nalakshase modadrisha nato nachadharo yatha. Krishna is the beyond the senses. Generally, we want to see the Lord, but our senses are imperfect. We are unable to see the Lord. That is the limitation of the living entity. But the modern education, seeing is believing. This is not possible. Krishna is called Adokshaja. Adaha akshaja yasya saha adokshaja. Means he is beyond the senses. Our senses unable to recognize Krishna. That's why this sloka was given the heading of beyond the senses. Maya javanikachin. Why we are unable to see the Lord? Because Maya javanika. Javanika means curtain. Maya means she is a curtain between Jiva and the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Maya also is the external energy of the Lord. The Jiva, he want to enjoy this material world. That's why he was put into the Maya. Maya means unwanted thing. So, Maya, the Jiva wanted to enjoy this world, and the Jiva kept into this material world. This Maya is blocking the vision of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That's why Maya Javanika Achennam. Achennam means covering. That's why we have to come out of that covering. How to break that covering? Maya Javanika Achennam Agnya Adokshajam. Because the living entity is Agnya. They don't know how to come out of that Maya curtain. Agnya. Agnya means the living entity is in ignorance. And moreover, he is not only ignorant, but also he covered by the Maya curtain. Two coverings are there. Agnya, ignorance, and Maya curtain also there. And moreover that, Krishna is beyond senses. You see, how many obstacles are coming. Beyond senses, Maya is covering, the curtain is there, and not only that, he is an ignorant person. And Avyayam, Krishna is beyond senses, Avyayam, he is indestructible. There is no destruction for him. He is Avyaya. Navyayatiti Avyayaha. There is no Vyayam. We are all Vyaya, means after some time we will lost our existence. That means we will die. Krishna has no death. Such kind of things Krishna don't have. That's why he is called Avyaya. And Nalakshase Mudadrisha Nato Nachadaro Yatha. Kunti Maharani, with example, she is explaining. Nato Nachadaro Yatha. Prabhupada gave an example. One family went to see the drama, and the mother and the child went to the drama, and father also went. Father, after some time, father went to green room, and he took makeup, and he in the drama is playing as an actor, and mother and child, they are seeing the drama. The father of the child, he is acting in the drama, playing as a role. But the child is unable to recognize his father. Why? He is in makeup and is playing as a role in the actor of a drama. He is a part of the drama. But the mother says, he is your father. How makeup is very nice. You see how he is acting. But the child, he recognized by the guidance of his mother. So that's why, nato natyadaro yada. The foolish people, they are unable to recognize the Lord. Like an actor and original person in the drama, we need one guidance. That is Guru and Sadhu Shastra. If the Sadhu Shastra Guru guidance is there, we will able to recognize the Krishna's actual position. That's why Kunti Maharani is praising here. This is the essence of this sloka. And Lord Krishna is appeared in this material world, but the people think that is an ordinary person, is ordinary cowherd boy, and is playing with gopis and gopas, cowherd girls and cowherd boys, but he is not an ordinary person. Those who are under guidance of Guru and Sadhu Shastra, they only recognize the Krishna's supremacy, Krishna's original person. That's why, if you want to go beyond the sense experience, we should approach Shastras. The modern science, they are unable to explain the above their sense perception. It's not possible. Everything under empirical philosophy, everything we have to see and believe, that is not possible. Because our microscopes and our technology are unable to recognize the soul presence. That's why if you want to go beyond the senses, we have to believe the Sadhu, Shastra and Guru. That is the essential here. That's why beyond the senses, if you want experience, we have to believe the Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, Ramayana and these kind of scriptures. They told about the Supreme Lord's characters and His name and His address and everything, His form, His pastimes, everything revealed in the spiritual scriptures. In the Vedic scriptures, it is revealed. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradir Govinda, Sarva Karana Karanam. He is the causes of all causes. He is a Sat, Chit, Ananda Swarupa. He is a eternal. He is a blissful and he is knowledgeful. Sat, Chit, Ananda Swarupa. Like that. He is the cause of all causes, but he has no cause. He is Asama Urdhava. Asama, there is no equal and there is no higher person compared with him. That's why he is called Asama Urdhava. So this is the Krishna's position. The second shloka, Kunti Maharani is explaining beyond the senses Krishna. Is Adokshajaha.